You've probably heard a lot about the health benefits of green tea. It's loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that are great for the body and mind. Green tea has been used as a medicine for thousands of years, originating in China but widely used throughout Asia. This beverage has a multitude of uses, from lowering blood pressure to preventing cancer. The reason green tea has more health benefits attached to it than black tea is due to the processing. Black tea is processed in a way that allows for fermentation, whereas green tea's processing avoids the fermentation process. As a result, green tea retains maximum amount of antioxidants and poly-phenols. That's the substances that gives green tea its many benefits. In this video you will learn about the health benefits of green tea and how you can drink it to enjoy its best for taste and benefits. Number 1. Burn fat. Clinical studies suggest that green tea may boost your metabolism and help you burn fat. Green tea can also help you lose weight and lower your risk of becoming overweight or obese. Much of this is the effect due to the caffeine, but other compounds in tea may also contribute to this effect by helping you selectively burn the fat you have stored in your body for energy. Green tea may help you feel fuller and maintain a more steady energy level, resulting in less hunger cravings and less calories consumed. Number 2. Lower your risk of various types of cancers and disease. Several population-based clinical studies have shown that both green and black teas may help protect against cancer. Early clinical studies suggest that polyphenols in tea, especially green tea, may play an important role in the prevention of cancer. Researchers also believe that polyphenols help kill cancerous cells and stop them from growing. Number 3. Improve your dental health. Some studies have shown that catechins in green tea can help kill bacteria and inhibit viruses like the influenza virus, potentially lowering your risk of infections. One of the primary species of harmful bacteria in the mouth is Streptococcus mutans. It causes plaque formation and it's a leading contributor to cavities and tooth decay. Studies have shown that the catechins in tea can inhibit the growth of Streptococcus mutans. In general, green tea consumption is associated with improved dental health and lower risk of dental cavities. On top of that, another benefit of green tea is it can reduce bad breath. Number 4. It can make you smarter. According to a study at the University of Basel in Switzerland, green tea extract may improve communication between parts of our brain. When study participants consumed green tea extract in a protein drink, they performed better on a short-term memory test than participants who did not drink the beverage. Number 5. It can improve your mood and help you relax. The amino acid L-theanine in green tea increases the activity of the inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA, which has an anti-anxiety effect. L-theanine also increases dopamine and the production of alpha waves in the brain, aiding relaxation, decreasing stress, and helping reduce depression. Number 6. Maintain healthy, youthful-looking skin. Green tea can prevent wrinkles and the signs of aging because the antioxidants in green tea are able to fight free radical damage. Similarly, the anti-inflammatory properties of green tea can help prevent damage to the skin from all sorts of harmful environmental stressors. Additionally, green tea can help relieve psoriasis by reducing the redness and the irritation that comes with it. Green tea has also been shown to reduce the redness that comes with rosacea. Number 7. Boost your physical performance. Green tea also seems to boost physical performance, increased exercise endurance, and decreased reaction time. And there are many such studies showing these effects from caffeine, although other ingredients in green tea may aid this effect as well. Caffeine in green tea's ability to mobilize fatty acids in fat tissue can make them more easily available for use as energy. It also seems to aid physical performance. The antioxidants in green tea may also help to prevent tissue damage during physical exertion as well. Number 8. Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It is said that green tea can delay the deterioration caused by Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Studies carried out on mice showed that the green tea protected brain cells from dying and restored damaged brain cells. Number 9. Lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a disease that has reached epidemic proportions over the past few decades and now affects hundreds of millions of people worldwide. And yet it is almost completely preventable and mostly reversible in its early stages by strictly cutting the intake of sugar and carbohydrates. In fact, studies show that green tea can even improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. One study among Japanese individuals found that those who drank the most green tea had a significantly lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 10. It can aid digestion. Some data has shown that green tea can aid digestion, improve bowel health and reduce IBD, that's inflammatory bowel disease. Green tea may also act by reducing inflammation in the gut associated with Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, that's 2 types of IBD. Number 11. Reduce bloating. What makes green tea such a perfect remedy for bloating is its ability to stimulate digestion and reduce gas. Sometimes when we eat or rush, or because we're just too hungry, we intend to engulf food without chewing properly and we swallow air. This causes gas buildup in the gastrointestinal tract, which leads to bloating. Gently stimulating digestion, green tea acts to help reduce gas buildup. The combined effect green tea has by reducing gas and water retention makes it one of the most anti-bloating remedies there is. Number 12. It gives you a healthy heart. People who drank 1 cup of tea a day had about 1/3 less major heart disease during the study period than people who didn't drink green tea. Also, green tea drinkers who drank 1 to 3 cups daily also showed a decline in the calcium buildup in their arteries. Number 13. Support your skin during sun exposure. Green tea extract, EGCG, is the most powerful green tea molecule. It's responsible for the majority of green tea's health and skin benefits. EGCG have been shown to have a particularly powerful effect in supporting skin cells and cellular DNA in the presence of sunlight. Many different clinical studies have shown EGCG to help promote the skin's defences against the sun's rays. And because these poly-phenols accumulate in the skin, regular drinking of green tea or taking a green tea supplement with EGCG can act as a supplemental protection. Number 14. It can lower your cholesterol levels. There are 2 types of cholesterol that can be found on the body, namely the bad cholesterol, or also known as LDL, and the good cholesterol, also known as HDL. The bad cholesterol is being inhibited by the green tea to be absorbed in the intestines, and together with this elevates the amount of good cholesterol levels inside the body. Number 15. Improve bone mineral density. There is some data to suggest drinking green tea may help your bones become stronger. This may be because it's alkaline forming in your body, helping prevent the leaching of minerals from your bones to counteract blood acidity and maintain proper blood pH. So let's look at the precautions of drinking green tea. Green tea contains tannins, which can decrease the absorption of iron and folic acid. As such, it may be better for women who are pregnant or breastfeeding to not drink green tea. People who have anxiety or are very sensitive to caffeine should also be cautious about drinking green tea. So how much green tea should you drink? The jury is out about how many cups are necessary. Some say as little as 2 cups a day, while others say about 5 cups. If you're thinking of going down this route, you may want to consider taking a green tea supplement instead. It will help you keep out of the bathroom at the very least. So how do you drink green tea? There are plenty of choices you can have when you purchase green tea. You can try mixing green tea with other healthy ingredients such as ginger, which is a healthy and tasty beverage option. You may also try this specific type of green tea, which is matcha, which has a thicker texture. In order to reap all the benefits, don't add boiling water to your tea. Once you've boiled the kettle, allow the water to cool slightly first and then pour it over the tea and steep for a couple of minutes before drinking. I hope you've enjoyed this video on green tea benefits. If you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on unbelievable uses for used tea bags. Thanks for watching, And finally, if you've enjoyed this video, then please share it with all your friends and family. And don't forget to wake up each morning and make yourself a nice cup of green tea.